I just want to ask you before starting the class, are you all equipped with Mantra Pushpam or sacred hymns of books?
Sir, I have got this Mantram Pushpa.
Oh, wonderful. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
I've ordered online, sir. I didn't get sacred hymns from.
No, sir, I am not the professor. In any monastic member, you can call anything else. You can call
I got
Brahmachari ji, you can call Maharaj ji. What about?
Okay. Okay, Acharya ji. I got this book also.
That is Kindle Life.
Yeah,
That's
Kindle
the
Life.
text.
Yeah.
But here we will chant according to this
Yeah, sir.
or this.
Sir, I didn't get this book, Sacred
No
Hymns.
need, no need, no need.
Okay.
The thing is,
I got
whoever don't get this book right now, I suggested that book. But in our mission, not a single copy of this book. The old version are there with you, maximum of you,
Okay.
where the intonations are not there. What I am going to teach you, you can find the lines, underline line.
But in this book also they
Yes,
have lines.
it is there. It is the perfect book for chanting.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So try to acquire this book and one day we will chant.
Sir, this also I have got, sir.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. So today I can start with this book.
Mantram.
Page number 4. Page number 4. Shanti Mantraha. Okay. Let's start the class. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhe Tamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. So today we will learn from this book, Mantra Pushpam. Mantra Pushpam. Page number 4. This is the hymns of peace. Hymns of peace. Shanti Mantraha. In Amazon, this book is verily available. Please try to acquire. So, we have learned already Sahana Vavatu. Today, we will learn Sanno Mitra. Sanno Mitra. So, please chant after me twice. Please chant after me twice. And this is my request. If you really want to learn the chanting properly, you have to listen to it repeatedly from YouTube. Other than learning chanting is difficult. You have to listen to it repeatedly. Please repeat after me twice. I am chanting from this book, Mantra Pushpam, page number 4, the second mantra. Please chant after me. Om Shanno Mitraha. Om Shanno Mitraha. Varunaha. Varunaha. Om Shanno Mitraha. Om Shanno Mitraha. Varunaha. Varunaha. You can remember that if Anushvara follows Va, like Varuna over here, then the Anushvara pronunciation will be like Va. So that is why Varunaha. Sanno Bhavatyaryama. Sanno Bhavatvaryama. Shanna Indro Brihaspatihi. Shanna Indro Brihaspatihi. Shanno Vishnurukramaha. Shanno Vishnurukramaha. Namo Brahmane. Namo Brahmane. Namaste Vayo. Namaste Vayo. Tvameva pratyaksham brahmasi. Tvameva pratyaksham brahmasi. You have to move your finger like that. Then only you can acquire this knowledge very quickly. Afterwards, it is not required, but at the time of learning, you have to move your finger like that. Whenever it is pitching down, you have to do like this. Whenever it is pitching up, you have to do like that. Tvameva pratyaksham brahma vadishyami. Tvameva pratyaksham brahma vadishyami. Ritam vadishyami. Ritam vadishyami. Satyam vadishyami. Satyam vadishyami. Tanmam avatu. Tanmam avatu. Tad vaktaram avatu. Tad vaktaram avatu. Avatu mam. Avatu mam. Avatu vaktaram. Avatu vaktaram. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So, we will chant together and then be ready with Bhagavad Gita. We will chant today also Bhagavad Gita. Om. Please, Amma, mute your mobile or this one. Otherwise, others will be disturbed. Om Sanno Mitra Varunaha. Om Sanno Mitra Varunaha. Sanno Bhavatvaryama. Sanna Indro Brihaspatihi. सन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि सत्यं वदिष्यामि तन्माम् अवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम once again ओम सन्नो मित्रः संवरुणः सन्नो भवत्वर्यमा शन्न इन्द्रो बृहस्पतिः शन्नो विष्णुरुक्रमः नमो ब्रह्मणे नमस्ते वायो त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वामेव प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्म वदिष्यामि ऋतं वदिष्यामि तन्माम् अवतु तद्वक्तारमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु वक्तारम् ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम now we will chant Gita and we will start with Gita Dhyanam, what we have learned. Please chant with me. Today is no repetition. So today we will chant together. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitaamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayini Amba Tvam Anusandadhami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshini Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Pullaravindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajvalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha. Now Anushtup Chanda, I told you. Prapanna Parijataya Totra Vetraika Panay Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Gita Duhe Namaha. Sarvopanishado Gavaha Dogdha Gopalanandanaha Partho Vatsasudhir Bhokta Dugdham Gitamritam Mahata Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kansa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagat Gurum भीष्मद्रोणतटा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोपला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थाम विकर्ण घोर मकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी सोत्तीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तकः केशवः पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलम् गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरम् हरिकथा सम्बोधना बोधितम् लोके सज्जन षट्पदैरहरहः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयाद् भारत पंकजं कलिमल प्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपात्तमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः. Now, Gita first chapter we were learning. First 10 slokas we have already completed, so we will not repeat. Please repeat with me. And in our mission, Gita books are verily available. Please come to the mission to collect the book or send someone else. From Gita book, you can verily chant the book, chanting. So it will be beneficial. And for Book of Hymns, we are talking to Sandipani Mumbai, as they can send us the new edition, because old edition you are all having. And in our mission, there is not a single copy right now. We are sorry for that, but we are trying. Now, Gita first chapter. Any Gita chapter or any Gita sloka chanting starts with Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. At the time of chanting, please remember what I taught you regarding the pronunciation of the vowels. This is the basic thing of any chanting. So let's start. We will chant first sloka, 10 sloka together. Then we will start learning today from sloka number 11. Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. Om Sri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ प्रथमोऽध्यायः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय। सञ्जय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकम् व्यूढम् दुर्योधनस्तदा आचार्यम् उपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत् पश्यैताम् पाण्डुपुत्राणाम् आचार्यमहतीम् चमूम् व्यूढाम् द्रुपदपुत्रेण तव शिष्येन धीमता। अत्र शूरा महेश्वासाः भीमार्जुन समायुधे युयुधानो विराटश्च द्रुपदश्च महारथः। धृष्टकेतुश्चेकितानः काशीराजश्च वीर्यवान् पुरुजित् कुन्तिभोजश्च शैव्यश्च नरपुङ्गवः युधामन्युश्च विक्रान्तः उत्तमौजाश्च वीर्यवान् सौभद्रो द्रौपदेयाश्च सर्व एव महारथाः। अस्माकं तु विशिष्टाये तान् निबोध द्विजोत्तमा। नायका मम सैन्यस्य संज्ञार्थं तान् ब्रवीमि ते। भवान् भीष्मश्च कर्णश्च कृपश्च समितिञ्जयः अश्वत्थामा विकर्णश्च सौमदत्तिस्तथैव च अन्ये च बहवः शूराः मदर्थे त्यक्तजीविताः नानाशस्त्रप्रहरणाः सर्वे युद्धविशारदाः। अपर्याप्तं तदस्माकं बलं भीष्माभिरक्षितम् पर्याप्तं त्विदमेतेषां बलं भीमाभिरक्षितम्। Up to that was verse number 10. Today we will learn verse number 11 from verse number 11. Please repeat after me. First listen to me, then you chant twice. Repeat twice. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu. Here you have to see ne is a is long vowel. Other than and sarve a is long vowel. So everything will be shortly pronounced except a. So ayane shucha sarveshu. And another thing, some people are Bengali. So some devotees are Bengali, some students. So in Bengali, there is no differentiation in pronunciation of sha. Bengali people always pronounce shakara, talvasya. But here, sa, danteshva is there, and sha is murdhanasva. First sa is saraswati sakara, and last one is shandmukha shakara. In Hindi Bhashi also, they don't pronounce much that shakara. You have to bend your tongue in the opposite direction and you have to pronounce sha. Okay. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu. Yatha bhagam avasthitaha. Visarga, when it is in the last syllable, we have to pronounce it clearly. And Visarga's pronunciation is ha, ha. And ha, which vowel is preceding, like here, a. So it will be ha. If it was e, it would be he. So here, ha. So, yatha bhagam avasthitaha. Yatha bha, and please pay attention in vowel like a. So I am prolonging the long vowel, okay? And the whole Gita is composed with the base of the theory of vowel. That is why these all chandas, you try in different way. You can't match with the chandas. You can try. So this is all calculation. It's like the mathematics, you know. So ayaneshu cha sarveshu yatha bhagam avasthitaha. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu yatha bhagam avasthitaha. Bhishmameva. Bhi is dirgha swara. Bhishmameva bhirakshantu. Bhishmameva bhirakshantu. Bhavantas sarva evahi. Bhavantas sarva evahi. Here Visarga just beside the Sakara, Saraswati Sakara. So Visarga's pronunciation will be transformed into Sakara. Bhavantas. Bhavantas sarva evahi. Bhavantas sarva evahi. Bhishmameva bhirakshantu. Bhavantas sarva evahi. Bhavantas sarva evahi. So chant together from the first. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu yatha bhagam avasthitaha. Bhishmameva bhirakshantu. Bhavantas sarva evahi. Then verse number 12. Tasya sanjanayan harsham. Tasya sanjanayan harsham. Kuru vriddha pitamaha. Kuru Vriddhah Pitamaha. Here Visarga is following Pakara. So the Visarga's pronunciation will be Pakara. Okay. So Kuru Vriddhah Pitamaha. Kuru Vriddhah Pitamaha. Here you just see Visarga is the last word and the preceding vowel is short vowel. Can you understand? Pitamaha, then Visarga. Visarga's pronunciation will be ha when it is the last letter. And before Visarga there is a short vowel. Previously in previous sloka it was sthitaha. Akara was there. Here akara is there. So Kuru Vriddhah Pakaras. That is why Visarga is becoming fa. Kuru Vriddhah Pitamaha. Clear? Simhanadam Vinadhyochyai. Simhanadam Vinadhyochyai. 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 Simhanadam Vinadhyochyai. Clear? Once again. Simhanadam Vinadhyochyai. Both the vowel are long vowel. O, I. So, Vinadhyochyai. Why he? Because I is the composition of a and e. When I first taught you about the vowel in this session, means the first class, you can remember a, I, o, au. So, I is a plus e. Au means a plus u. So here a plus e. So e is the last vowel. That is why Visarga is he. Clear? So Simhanadam Vinadhyochyai. Shankham Dadhmau Pratapavan. Shankham Dadhmau Pratapavan. Chant together. Tasya Sanjanayan Harsham Kuru Vriddhah Pitamaha. Simhanadam Vinadhyochyai. Shankham Dadhmau Pratapavan. Clear? Now 13th sloka. Tataha and then Shankhascha. So Visarga is following Shakara, Shiva Shakara. So Visarga's pronunciation will be Shiva Shakara. Tatash, Tatash, Tatash. The Tataha will be transformed into Tatash. Tatash, Shankhascha Bhairyascha. Tatash, Shankhascha Bhairyascha. Panavanaka Gomukhaha. Panavanaka Gomukhaha. Tatash Shankhascha Bhairyascha. Panavanaka Gomukhaha. Sahasaivaabhyahanyanta. Sahasaivaabhyahanyanta. Sashabdastumulo bhavata. Here, the last quarter you have to see, there is one ace. This is called avagraha. Avagraha, they put or we put instead of akara. But akara pronunciation will not be there. What the pronunciation will be? The previous vowel will be prolonged. Like asatoma satgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mrityurma amritam gamaya. So you have seen in that mantra, instead of a, there is one s. So amritam is never pronounced over there. It is mrityurmamritam gamaya. So just before avagraha, there is a. So a will be prolonged. Okay. So here also sashabdastumulo bhavata. And if halanta ta and halanta, like in Hindi we say karam phal. So here in Sanskrit chanting, that direct phal tat bhavat aise nahi hoga. Bhavat, the half quarter a will be pronounced. Okay. If it is last syllable, not in between, like shabda, there is also half ba and the. Sha, half ba and ta, shabda. There we'll never say sabada, because the halanta, the half word, is in between the word. Then it will be clearly shabda. But here bhavat, the half ta is in the last. So it will be pronounced as quarter. Bhavata. Okay. So
I have a query. Is it Shankash or Shankash?
Shankashcha.
Shankashcha. Okay.
Not
yes,
a.
Sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So together, tata shankashcha bhairyascha. Tata shankashcha bhairyascha. Parnavanaka gomukhaha. Sahasaivaabhyahanyanta. Sashabdastumulo bhavata. Clear? Now sloka number 14. The 14th sloka, 14th vowel.
Hariom.
Hello?
Hariom.
Yes, yes.
Shabdah tumlo bhavat. Shabdah tumlo bhavat.
Yes. Shabdas.
Adha sha is pronounced as?
Adha sa will be pronounced as adha sa. Shabdas tumulo bhavat. Shabdas tumulo bhavat.
Hariom. Hariom.
In Panini Vyakaranam, there is one sutra called Stoschu Naschu. Stoschu Naschu. Here it is there that Shabdaha and Tumula. In that case, if Visarga is following Takara, the directly Visarga will be transformed into Sakara, Saraswati Sakara. I'm not going into the Vyakaranam or grammar. This is because then unless until you can't learn the chanting properly. because it's a vast ocean, you know. Okay. Shabdas tumulo bhavat. Not bhavat, please. Bhavat is not here. Bhavat. Just slightly akara, slight. Bhavat. Now the second one, 14th one, tataha swetair hayair yukte. Okay. Shvetaihi hayaihi yuktehe. Haya means horse. Don't come into that. Please concentrate into the chanting. So the thing is, if we split into sandhi, svetaihi hayaihi yukte. So how it will be pronounced? Tatashvetair hayair yukte. Okay. We will chant 5 times. Is it okay for you? Thank you. Svetair hayair yukte. 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 Once more. Svetair hayair yukte. Okay? It will come. Mahati syandane sthitau madhavaha pandavaha cha eva divyau shankhau pradad matuhu. So, but chanting, while chanting, we have to join them. That is why learning chanting. How we will join and how we will chant. And how this form is coming, that is why for that you have to join our Monday, Wednesday and Thursday class, 11 o'clock, basics of Sanskrit grammar and spoken Sanskrit. So now we will learn, chant with me 14th sloka. Tatashvetair hayair yukte. Tatashvetair hayair yukte. Mahatisyandate. Mahatisyandane. I'm sorry. Mahatisyandane sthitau. Mahatisyandane sthitau. See, after Mahati, there will be half saw again, because Sya is conjunct consonant. I told you, if there is conjunct consonant in the beginning of the word, and before that if there is short vowel, that the first letter of the conjunct consonant will be half over there, double pronouns. So Mahati Syandane. So it will be Mahatisyandane. Okay? Clear? Mahatisyandane sthitau. Mahatisyandane sthitau. Then Madhavah, because Pa is there. Pa. So Visarga is following Pa. So Visarga's pronunciation will be Fakara. Madhavav Pandavaschaiva. Madhavav Pandavaschaiva. Divyau Shankhau Pradadmatu. Divyau Shankhau Pradadmatu. Divyau Shankhau Pradadmatuhu. Together. Tatashvetair hayair yukte. महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः. Clear? Once again, do you need this sloka, this verse? Okay, once again. ततश्वेतैर्हयैर्युक्ते महति स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः. Clear? Now verse number 15. Panchajanyam Hrishikeshaha. In your book it is there Kesho. Please pencil mark, pencil with the pencil you please mark Visarga Shaha, because of the Sandhi rule that Okara will be Shaha, Akara and Visarga. Panchajanyam Hrishikeshaha. Panchajanyam Hrishikeshaha. Devadattam Dhananjayaha. Devadattam Dhananjayaha. Then Poundram Dadhmau Mahashankham. Poundram Dadhmau Mahashankham. Bhimakarma Vrikodaraha. Please pay attention in the vowel. Bhima, E is there. Karma, A is there. Long vowel. Then Vriko, O is there. Okay. Bhima Karma Vrikodaraha. Bhima Karma Vrikodaraha. Chant together. Panchajanyam Hrishikeshaha. Devadattam Dhananjayaha. Poundram Dadhmau Mahashankham. Bhimakarma Vrikodaraha. Bhimakarma Vrikodaraha. Once again. Panchajanyam Hrishikeshaha. Devadattam Dhananjayaha. Poundram Dadhmau Mahashankham. Bhimakarma Vrikodaraha. So today we will chant together from 11 to 15. Okay. From 11 to 15 together. But please mute your mobile phone or laptop. Ayaneshu cha sarveshu yatha bhagamavasthitaha bhishmamevabhirakshantu bhavantas sarva evahi tasya sanjanayan harsham kuru vriddhah pitamaha simhanadau vinodyochaihi shankham dadhmau pratapavan. I made a little mistake in the last line, so we will chant together again. Tasya sanjanayan harsham kuru vriddhah pitamaha simhanadam vinadyochaihi शंखं दध्मौ प्रतापवान् ततः शंखाश्च वीर्यश्च प्रणवानकगोमुखाः सहसैवाभ्यहन्यन्त. Just a minute. Yes. Sahasaivaabhyahanantyas. Sahasaivaabhyahananyanta. Here, actually, if you count, Anushtup Chanda is not there. One letter is not there. This is called Arsha Prayaga. That 8888, this is the breaking. 32 letters will be there. Here, one letter is exceeding. Okay. Sahasaivabhyahanantas. Sahasaivabhyahanyanta. 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 Sashabdastumulo bhavata. Once again. Tata shankascha bheryascha panavanaka gomukhaha sahasaivabhyahanyanta sashabdastumulo bhavata. Tata shvetairhayair महते स्यन्दने स्थितौ माधवः पाण्डवश्चैव दिव्यौ शङ्खौ प्रदध्मतुः पाञ्चजन्यं हृषीकेशः देवदत्तं धनञ्जयः पौण्ड्रं दध्मौ महाशङ्खं भीमकर्मावृकोदरः. I hope it is clear to you. And please try to acquire Mantra Pushpa, or we are trying from our side as we can bring Mantra Pushpam for you. So first we will finish the class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. You please share the link what you get to your friends, to your groups, as many people can avail this session, because in many places you can have Vedanta discourses, but
Sir,
so this is the rarest opportunity. So please try to share it to your friends and groups, and please listen to that chanting class, please, twice or thrice in a day, please. And that is why We are uploading it in the YouTube. Hari Om.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
sir, I have one
Oh.
question.
Yes.
Sir, in the
Yes.
15th shlok, you've written Rishikeshaha.
Yes.
Can you please tell me the breakup? How did you make that 8 letters? I couldn't understand that portion.
No need
Clarification.
no need to see. It's a grammatical portion. Okay. No need to count all those things. The chandas you have to learn separately. How a chandas come together, you have to learn in that way.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Can we, while chanting, can we do Sandhi Vichhed and chant?
Yes. Yes. But
Is it
not
correct?
everywhere. Just a minute. Here the quarter is 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 quarters are there in a sloka.
Yes, yes.
So we are allowed to break the sandhi only when it is coming in between 2 quarters.
Yes.
Otherwise not. If the sandhi it comes in between, inside the quarter, we are not allowed to break up the sandhis while chanting. Clear?
Okay. Sometimes for clarity we may chant with Sandhi Vichhed.
That for your own understanding, not at the time of chanting. While you will study Gita under any acharya, don't try Gita also by your own. It's my request to all of you. Must learn it under any acharya who knows Gita, Gita chanting, and the bhavartha of Gita. But on that time, you have to split the word. Otherwise,
Yes.
there is no make sense. It doesn't
Yes.
make sense. You have
Yes.
to split. You have to break the words. But chanting is a different science.
Yes.
That I'm trying to teach you. I'm trying to tell you. So in that time, Sandhi Vichhed, the splitting of the words are not allowed. Here we are breaking in the quarter. In Upanishad mantra or in Vedic mantra, we are not allowed in breaking even in quarter also.
No. Okay. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. Thank you.
Hari Om to everyone. Hari Om to everyone. We will meet again
Yes,
in this class on Friday, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow there will be Sanskrit basics and spoken Sanskrit. Please attend, try to attend all the classes, share it, pass it the links to all the friends and other groups. Whoever not associated with our Chinmay mission also, they can also, it is free for everyone else. Invite them for attending these classes. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om.